What's going on, y'all? It's your main man, DJ Prime. That's me. And today, I want to make a video about a topic that we all should talk about and we should be thinking about more. It's not complicated, but the topic is practice.
Not the game. We talking about practice, man.
How often should you be practicing, mixing and everything? And how should we go about practicing efficiently? Everyone's going to tell you the perfect answer for this, how many times you should practice and how you should do it. The answer that I have is, I don't know, because I don't practice enough. But I want to, which is the reason why I'm making this video. I want to talk to you guys about practice because at the end of the day, if you want to get better at DJing, whether it's like technical DJing or whether it's better, performance for at a show and stuff, you gotta practice. Every single DJ is gonna tell you the same thing.
Practice every single day of the minute.
But I'm gonna tell you that there is no perfect answer. It might seem like I'm a DJ that likes to just like make a bunch of content because it's a cool thing to do. And I do, this content's tight, but that's actually one of the reasons why I actually make content. Because when I make content, half the time I'm DJing. So if I'm practicing DJing, make videos, it means that I'm actually practicing DJing at the same time. It's also a cheat code for me because when I make content and I'm making videos about DJing or I'm like doing some performance like freestyle scratching or whatever, I'm practicing. It's a different way of thinking about how to be efficient with time because my actual life, aside from the videos that you see me in, I'm busy, baby. I DJ, I do content about DJing. I also have a full-time job. I also have 2 young kids and I'm married and I'm also doing the gigs. And if I'm being honest, it's a lot to freaking manage, but I found I can be efficient and find ways to get it in where I fit in by stacking. But besides just finding time to practice, there's a lot of things you can do to make your life a lot easier. One thing you can do is to make sure you actually have a DJ set up all the time so you can just practice when you need to. Whether it's like a full setup or whether it's like a little micro thing. I got one of these joints. Got one of these things over here. I use this to practice sometimes if I need to. Not so much recently, but like a year ago, 2 years ago when I didn't have like a setup because I was doing a lot of mobile gigs. Anything that you want to use to practice DJing is the right move. Even though it's a pain in the ass, if you can find strength to set up the gear after your gig, do it, set the gear up. If you want to find ways to practice more, eliminate as many barriers to entry as possible. You can have a way easier time making sure you can actually get some practice in. You don't have to have some fancy ass setup, you know what I'm saying? I got a fancy ass setup, but it's because I've been DJing for 20 freaking years, you know what I'm saying? This setup is like my dream setup at this point. I don't need anything else than this ever, unless Pioneer DJ or Rain wants to send me some free stuff. I'll take that in a heartbeat. So send it to me. All that being said, I am not in charge of your life. You practice as much as you want to. If you want to get better at DJing, there's 2 things you can do. DJ more or practice more. So if you do both those things together, you practice more and you DJ more, wow, you just compounded your time that you're gonna get better. I'm pretty sure that there's some math in there that makes this all make sense. But regardless, I just wanna put the message out there that you might go on YouTube, you might go on social media and you see DJs giving out advice about these things. Everyone's gonna say some that they think you're supposed to say or supposed to hear. The truth is, practice as much as you possibly can. That's how you get better. If you don't have time to practice or if you're just lazy, it's up to you. Okay, let me try that again. I feel like that was a little aggressive. Let's try it one more time. And if you're really passionate about being the best DJ you can possibly be, do everything you can to get better. If you want to get better at scratching, you ain't got no choice. You got to practice a lot. Find the rhythm that makes sense in your life, make it a priority, and get better. Because being a DJ is dope, but being a dope DJ is doper. It sounded cool in my head, but when I said it out loud, not feeling it. Thank you all for watching this video. This is not one that I scripted. I just wanted to share this message with you guys. Practice, it's good. Practice is cool, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to practice more. That's why I'm making this video, so I can practice afterwards. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. You can do whatever you want to in the world of DJing. We're all just trying to be the best of the DJs that we can be. I support you, so thank you for supporting me. And let's just do the damn thing. Peace. Fly away, birdie. Now dance.